UI friends! It's week 9! Time for a world-famous weekly walkthrough from Brother Allen. Time for us to figure out what we got going on. Let's move this out of the way. Week 9, can you believe it? Week 9, more than halfway through. All right, so here's what we're doing. We got to get going because we got lots of awesome stuff to do this week. We got 3 things due midweek, and we have 2 things due at the end of the week. So we're continuing on with our annotated bibliography. We're getting ready for this explanatory synthesis. And that's what this week is all about, is getting ready to actually write the annotated bibliography, doing some research, that sort of thing. So here's a topic proposal. That's number 1. This is due by Wednesday. There's a lot of really good resources on here. So there is this awesome link where you can click on this and you can check out different approaches. So that's awesome. And then they also have this sample topic proposal, so you can see what a finished one looks like. And so this is what a finished topic proposal looks like. It's just a page, not very much. And they're doing it's a misconception essay, and they're talking about autism. So that's what one that's completed looks like. The other thing they want you to do on this assignment is go back to this assignment overview, the annotated bibliography overview, and just remind yourself what topics are forbidden for this essay, right? There's a whole bunch of forbidden topics, and they want you to make sure that you've looked at those before you choose. And then you're going to choose one of these worksheets. There are 3 worksheets on here, but you're going to choose the one that fits the best with your topic that you've chosen. So maybe your topic works best if you have a problem solution. You're just going to download that one worksheet and then fill it out and turn it in. This assignment's worth 10 points, and I'm grading that it's just filled out, right? Like there's a couple points for each of these different sections. And I will put in the comments whether your topic has been approved or not. Usually I approve everybody's topic unless they're choosing one from this list in the overview that is forbidden, right? So super easy assignment. You're going to choose your topic. You're going to turn it in. I'm going to approve it. And we're going to move along our merry way. That's due Wednesday. This next one also due on Wednesday. So you're going to analyze an annotated bibliography. I love that they give you examples because I don't know how to write things unless I have an actual example. So you're going to download this worksheet. Looks like this. Just a whole bunch of boxes for you to fill out. And then they have 2 sample annotated bibliographies. You're going to not annotate these, but you're going to download them and look at what a finished product looks like. This is what a finished one looks like. It has like statement at the beginning, and then it starts going through the sources, and it has the the references, like the APA style reference at the top. And it has like a summary, an evaluation, how you're going to use the source. And it does that for all of the sources that they're planning on using. So there's 2 different examples for that. You're going to complete the worksheet. You're going to turn it in. You're going to get 10 points. It's going to be awesome because you're going to know what you're supposed to do on your annotated bibliography. It's going to be a good time. All right, Wednesday for that. Then we have a quiz about paraphrasing and summarizing sources. All 3 of these are really great tools to help you with this. So there's a page where it talks about, what's the difference between a summary? What's the difference between a paraphrase? What is patch writing? What does that mean? So read that. Then they have these 2 documents. One is a guide for avoiding plagiarism. And this is absolute gold. This is really good stuff. Read that. They also have a checklist. And what I would do with this is I actually would download this and keep it like on my desktop so that when I'm turning in my assignments later, I have this checklist and I can go through and not really check off, but in my mind, check things off and make sure that I'm doing things correctly. You're going to take your quiz. It's open book, so you can use all those sources. It's worth 12 points. You can take it as many times as you want until it closes, and you're going to get 12 out of 12. So that's due on middle of the week, Wednesday. Then we have this assignment where we're going to look at reference elements. They want you to find two sources. So they want you to go and do some research. And like I've said before, I love databases. Databases are the best place to do research. And oftentimes, if students don't have databases in their essays, I will tell them to go back and find some database stuff. So that's where I would start. I would start with databases through the McKay library. And then if you need to expand your search, you can totally do that. So you're going to find two sources that are connected to your research topic. Then you're going to study these two documents. So this one, I really like this too. This one shows you how it should be formatted if you're doing a journal article or a book or a chapter in a book, how it should be formatted on your reference page. And they show you that, you know, it has a hanging indent up here. See how the first line is hanging over the second line, and it tells you all the different things. It has these little boxes that tells you what goes in each of these spots so that you can do it, right? You can fill these out. Then they also have this creating a reference list, right? And this document is going to tell you how to do it, how to make that last page references. I all the time call them works cited page, but it's a section called reference, and that's because I teach English for my day job, and we use MLA, which has a works cited page. So reference list. Then you're going to download this worksheet. The worksheet looks like this after you've studied and after you found your things, and you're going to actually start filling things out and making sure that your references are formatted correctly, and then it'll give me a chance to check it. You're going to turn that in. It's worth 10 points. I'm looking for these things, right, to give you your 10 points. This is due Friday. And then I think there's one more, right? How to summarize scientific studies. Yeah, so there's a page here, and it takes you here, and you're going to read all this stuff. You got a video to watch. This is all really great information. And you're going to download this worksheet. Worksheet looks like this. Got some boxes for you to fill out. And you're going to look at the marshmallow study that we've all seen on videos where the kids they put marshmallows in front of them and see if the kids can not eat the marshmallows until somebody comes back. You're going to read the study, and you're going to complete part 1, right? After you've completed part 1, then you're going to look at these other two. One of them is another article on this Parenting Science website, and then the other one's a video on YouTube, the Marshmallow Study Revisited. You're going to fill out the worksheet. You're going to turn it in. It's worth 20 points. I'm looking that you filled it out, and you're going to get your full 20 points. This is due on Friday. And then I believe that's it. So let's just go back and let's review and check, make sure that we went over everything. So week 9. Yeah, that's all of them. So once again, you got these 3 things due on Wednesday, middle of the week, and you got 2 things due on Saturday at the end of the week. I think I said it was due on Friday. I'm sorry. It's due Saturday at the end of the week, these 2, APA reference elements and how to summarize scientific studies, due Saturday. And then after you do your topic proposal, I will get on as soon as I can and approve topics to make sure that everybody's doing something that'll work for their essay so that you can move forward. As always, brothers and sisters, bless your souls. If you have any questions, let me know. And I hope you have a wonderful week. Talk to you later. Bye.